In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop participants from removing or muting others in Microsoft Teams on mobile. Whether you're hosting an important meeting, running a class, or just want to maintain control over your session, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device. Once you're in, go ahead and schedule a new meeting. Fill in all the necessary details like the meeting title, date, time, and invitees. After entering the information, tap the check icon at the top right to save your meeting. Next, navigate to the Calendar tab at the bottom of the app and locate your newly created meeting. Tap on it, then select Join. You may be prompted to allow access to your camera and microphone. Make sure to click Allow so you can participate fully in the meeting. Once you're in the meeting, look for the two people icon at the top right corner beside the chat button. This opens the Participants view. From here, tap Meeting Options at the top. In the Meeting Options menu, you'll see settings like who can bypass the lobby and who can present. For this tutorial, focus on who can present and set it to only me. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Double-check your Teams app is updated to the latest version, ensure your internet connection is stable, and confirm that you're the meeting organizer before adjusting presenter settings. Doing this beforehand helps prevent participants from gaining unwanted control. Once you've set who can present to only yourself, participants will no longer be able to remove or mute other attendees. You, as the host, retain full control over managing the meeting. This ensures a smooth and professional session, whether it's a business meeting, class, or webinar. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to stop participants from removing or muting others in Microsoft Teams on mobile easily and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If it helped you out, feel free to share it with others who manage Teams meetings. Why not make someone's virtual meetings more controlled and stress-free?